Vanessa and welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, I will be upgrading from my iPhone 7 Plus to hopefully either the 12 Pro or the 12 Pro Max. So I've had my iPhone 7 Plus since my junior year of high school and I'm currently now a junior in college. So I think it's time for an upgrade. I'm hoping that the Apple Store still has the 12 Pro line, all of them in stock. I really wanted to go to the store and buy it because I really wanted to compare the 12 Pro to the 12 Max, just because that I've been hearing that the 12 Pro Max is really big. So I just want to make sure that it's the right size for me before I order it. Hopefully I'm able to buy a phone by the end of the day. Alright guys, so I finally got my new phone. I have not taken it out of the bag yet because I want to kind of like show my reaction to you guys. Let's start unboxing. Oh my gosh, this actually feels pretty heavy. I haven't gotten so excited for a new phone in so long. I've watched like so many unboxing videos, and the fact that I have the phone like right in my hands right now is just like so unreal for me. I don't even have a USB-C port like charger, so I can't really use this cord. I need to go buy one. Here's my iPhone 7 Plus. They are both the same width. It's just that the iPhone 12, like you see, it's just that the iPhone 12 is a little bit taller, but they are both the exact same width. Like, I was very indecisive between getting the 12 Pro Max or the 12 Pro, because like people kept saying that like the 12 Pro Max was like really big. I've had this phone for over 3 years now, so I'm very used to like the big size phones. I feel like I won't have an issue with this. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Is it dead? It says hello. Okay, so like I'm just going to like explain to you guys like the whole process of me getting this phone, because like I did not get this phone all in one day and all in one try. It was a process. I'm also going to talk to you guys about why I decided to get the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the reason why I decided to upgrade, and how much I spent in total for like this phone. I actually decided to upgrade because number one, I have 120 gigabytes on my iPhone 7 Plus. It's been over 3 years. I'm actually running very low on storage, so I really needed like more storage on my phone, which is why I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 gigabytes. I feel like that will probably last me like another like 3 years or even more. Once I reached the 30-year mark of my iPhone 7 Plus, like my phone has been glitching up. My iPhone 7 Plus lags like crazy. My phone will randomly freeze on me. It will randomly restart. I will be on an app and the app will just like randomly like close on me. Especially when it came to like editing footage, because like I film and edit all of my videos on my iPhone 7 Plus. But now I'm gonna start making all my videos on my 12 Pro Max. It was just like a big pain in the butt to like edit on my phone on iMovie, because there's always like something like happening with my phone. So I actually have been planning on updating to a new phone since like the summer of this year. So like literally like my birthday is in the summer, so I saved my birthday money. I also got a new job, so every single paycheck that I got, I will take out a certain percentage of my paycheck and put it to my savings account, and I also took out another percentage of my paycheck and put it towards my new phone. So by the time that the iPhone 12 came out, I already had enough money to like afford the phone. The phone cost me $1,282. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max is actually the second iPhone that I've ever owned. It's also the most expensive item I've ever bought, but I did do the trade-in option, so I'm waiting to get the trade-in kit, and I'll be giving my iPhone 7 Plus back to Apple, and then they will refund me $140. That is the maximum value you can get for the iPhone 7 Plus. Actually, I went to the Apple Store. They had told me that my phone is in excellent condition and I can get the full $140 for the value of my phone, which is not that much compared to how much I paid for it. But I mean, like, this model is 4 years old, so the price obviously went down. I could have probably sold it maybe for a little bit more, but I didn't want to go through the whole hassle of selling my phone and everything. But at least I do get a discount. So in reality, I actually pay like $1,100 something. I don't really know like the exact math, whatever. But to be honest, I'm really going to miss my iPhone 7 Plus. Like, that phone is my very first iPhone. My favorite feature is Touch ID. I'm actually not a big fan of Face ID. That's one of the main reasons why I never really upgraded. But then again, I never owned a phone that has Face ID, so it might grow on me. I might end up liking it. I do have to order my case and my screen protector on Amazon, so that's like another price tag. So I feel like in total I'll probably be spending like around $1,200. This is not money that I just like randomly decided to spend. I could just like bought like a camera and bought like camera equipment, but like what if YouTube ends up not being a long term for me? So it's like, what am I going to do with all this camera equipment? But like if I stop doing YouTube, like I still use my phone every single day. I use my phone to do homework, I use my phone to study, I use my phone to read, I use my phone to call, text, like I use it for social media. I also love photography. Like I use it to do everything. And also, I'm not the type of person to update annually. I feel like if you update annually, there's no excitement, because like every new model is like usually like a slight adjustment from like the previous model. Like the iPhone 7 to the iPhone 8, it was like minor changes. The iPhone 10 to iPhone 11 was minor changes. But like I'm coming from an iPhone 7 Plus to an iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's a completely new design. Like it's not even like an improvement, like it's new features that like I've never had before. So this iPhone 12 Pro Max will probably last me maybe like another 3-4 years, and then I'll upgrade to, I don't know, the iPhone Ultra. So it was actually a long process to get this phone. So the first time I went to the store, I didn't know that you were supposed to make reservations at the Apple store. Because of COVID and everything, you can't just walk in there. You have to like set up a time to like speak with a specialist. I ended up making a reservation for a different date, and I went back to the store. When I went back to the store, I was in between like the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 12. Kind of feel like the 12 Pro and the Pro Max are kind of like the same exact thing, just minor differences. But because of the battery life, I decided to go with the Pro Max. And the moment that I asked her for the Pro Max in gold, 256 gigabytes, they just sold it. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. Like when I finally made up my mind to go with the Pro Max, they just sold the last one in stock. And then when I checked online, I wouldn't have it delivered until like December 16 to the 23rd. I was like, that's like 2-3 weeks from now. And like the specialist had told me, oh, like usually like in the middle of the week or during the weekday they usually get restocks. So literally every single day I kept checking the Apple website, and it wasn't until on a Tuesday afternoon that I saw that they had it in stock for the next day. I put in my information so fast, I put in the wrong billing address. The name that I put wasn't the same exact name as my credit card or debit card, whatever. And then on top of that, like I put in the wrong address for them to ship in my trading kit. So I had to call Apple like customer service, and like I had to like tell them like, hey, like I put the wrong address, hey, wrong billing address. Hey, like literally I was literally on Apple for like 30 minutes trying to fix my order, and thankfully everything was sorted out. It took me like a week to like finally like get this phone in person. And I know a lot of people were saying, oh, like it's better to just get the 11 Pro Max because it's cheaper and it's just minor differences. But to be honest, like I wasn't excited when the iPhone 11 like line came out. I wasn't excited when the iPhone 10 line came out. I wasn't excited when the iPhone 8 came out. But when I heard about the iPhone 12, I don't know, for some reason I got so excited for this phone. If I'm gonna drop over $1,000 on a phone, I want to be excited about it. So the fact that I wasn't excited with the previous models, it's still a lot of money. So why spend money on something that I'm not really going to be like 100% satisfied in? Okay, so here is the difference between the cameras. So this is my iPhone 12 Plus, and this is my iPhone what? So this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is my iPhone 7 Plus. I literally just turn on the cameras and put it up to my face, and this is what I get immediately. So as you can see, like my iPhone 12 Pro Max, like you see how like the cloud, like the sky is like still intact, whereas on my iPhone 7 Plus, like I have to like click on it, like hold on, I have to click on the background in order to like remove the whiteness of the sky, but like now I'm dark. But on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, like I don't have to do anything, you can see me and the sky, so that's really good. Alright, so this is my back camera. This is my iPhone 7 Plus, and this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is just straight from the pressing the recording button. Yeah. Which one do you think is better, guys? Okay, I'm recording on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I just looked at the pictures that my iPhone 7 Plus took. My iPhone 7 Plus did me so dirty. I'm looking at the photos. I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, why do I look so nasty? Like, I don't know if you guys, can you guys see that? Look at this quality. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this quality. This is my front-facing camera. So I've actually been using this phone for half a week now. Face ID is actually a lot faster than Touch ID. I'm not gonna lie. I actually like it. I thought I was gonna hate it. I still have the habit of like putting my fingerprint like whenever I touch my phone, and I'm like, oh wait, is Face ID, whatever. And I'm still trying to like adjust to like the notification button and like the control panel, whatever. And then like sometimes I'd be swiping up for like the control panel, but like that's to go back home. So I'm still like trying to get used to that. But besides that, like I am really loving the Pro Max. I'm really happy that like I spent the money on this, and like look at this camera quality. One of the main reasons for why I bought this phone is for like my YouTube channel. Like I don't have to carry my phone and a camera, and like I feel like a phone is like vlogging friendly compared to like carrying a camera around. And if you have like the external mic, like I feel like with a phone it feels more comfortable to vlog compared to like, you know, having like a vlogging camera and then it's like, hey guys, you know what I'm saying? So like I'm not that comfortable yet with public vlogging, so like having my phone is just easier for me to vlog in public. Hopefully it kind of helps some people to decide whether or not to upgrade or not. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media. Bye guys.